Clicking in lyrics. Click assignment is another way to enter lyrics. This method is particularly useful if you want to copy text from another source, such as a word processing program. Copy the source text, and then, in Finale, choose the Lyrics tool. Click the Lyrics menu and choose Lyrics window. Paste the text into this area. Now, from the Lyrics menu, choose Click Assignment. Click to assign your lyrics. As you click, Finale cues the next syllable. To add several lyrics at once, Windows users hold down the Control key, Mac users the Option key, and click. Finale enters the remainder of the verse on successive notes.